Machakit. Oh, that's the stuff right there. I don't know. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Project Awesome. So we're back with a new makeup tutorial, and finally, eto na. I found the time to finally do this video. This is the I tried to do blank blanks makeup tutorial look challenge, and of course, hindi pa bang gagayahin ko kundi si NikkieTutorials. Actually, I asked you guys sa Facebook and sa Instagram kung sino sa tingin nyo yung dapat kong gayahin for this challenge, and a lot of you actually, almost all of you, like isa or dalawa lang yata yung iba yung sagot. Pero halos lahat kayo sinabi si NikkieTutorials. And I'm really flattered and I'm really happy kasi siya talaga yung nasa isip ko na gagayahin, syempre. Bago ko pa kayo tanungin, nasa isip ko na gagayahin ko si NikkieTutorials. She's one of a kind. I just love her so much, and at the end of the day, I'm just like you guys na fan niya rin. Fan lang din ako ni NikkieTutorials, and she's my queen. If she's ever going to go here in the Philippines, I'm gonna, you know, sign me up for that. I'm gonna make ipon for that, and you know, I'm like being so corny right now. Anyway, this is my video for the I tried to do a NikkieTutorials makeup tutorial look. So marami na akong napanood ng mga videos na ginaya si Nikkie. Ang gagaling nila, lalo na ni Promise Fan. Oh my god, na talagang nag-transform siya, naging siya si NikkieTutorials. Meron kasi siyang isang makeup look na ang tagal ko nang gustong gayahin. Wala lang akong courage na gawin kasi parang ang hirap. Na parang ang simple-simple niyang gawin, pero alam ko it's going to be so difficult and it's going to be so challenging. That's why I chose this look. And trust me, ang tagal kong pinag-isipan kung ito ba yung gagawin ko. Pero promise, hindi ako practice for this. Hindi ko pinractice kung paano gawin. Tinignan ko lang kung ano mga products na ginamit niya. And thankfully, dun sa makeup look na gagayahin ko, ang gamit niya mga products dun ay affordable products. So, some of the products that she used in this video, I have. Some lang. Hindi majority niya. Some lang. Dahil affordable makeup tutorial yung ginawa niya, I'm going to try to use affordable products as well dito sa video na to, na makikita natin dito sa Pilipinas. Kinakabahan ako, kaya daldal ako ng daldal dito sa harapan ninyo eh. Pero, ayun nga, gaya ng laging sinasabi ni Nikkie, without any further ado, let's start! Unang-una sa lahat, gagayahin lang natin yung steps. Gusto ko sanang gayahin pati yung buong get-up niya, kaso wala ako namang malaking hoop earrings niya, yung mga gold necklaces niya. This is the best one that I can find. This is actually a hairpiece. Dito yan, dito sa ulo. Pero ginawa ko siyang necklace, o diba? Be innovative. Let's play Nikkie. This is called her Affordable Extreme Glam Transformation. Alright.
Hey guys, and welcome back. Today, I am actually doing a very, very fun tutorial.
Ako din! Kasi gagayahin kita.
On our channel. There's not a lot of expensive stuff because today we'll be focusing on a affordable makeup transformation. And
most of the products used in this video are from Maybelline. So, buti na lang medyo marami tayong Maybelline items.
Liner. Let's get glam. For foundation today, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me Foundation in the color 112.
Gravity, 112 siya, and I'm in the shade 128. Sobrang puti ni Nikkie. Sabi nga niya, she's white as a paper. Gumamit siya ng Morphe Beauty Sponge. Gagamitin ko yung Real Techniques ko. So, ayun, let's get glam! Buti na lang meron tayo nitong foundation na to. Oh, thank goodness gracious! I love the coverage of this foundation. Perfect! Okay, for the concealer, anong ginamit niya?
For concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Master Conceal by Maybelline as well. I've been wearing this for a couple of weeks now.
Alright! Thank you so much, Pex Martha, for giving me regalo sa akin ni Pex Martha to. This is the Maybelline Master Conceal Concealer. Wala nito dito sa Pilipinas. Tapos, niregaluhan niya ako nito. So, thank you so much dahil katulad ng kay NikkieTutorials, ito And then, she blended that using the sponge.
And setting that using the Maybelline Fit Me Powder in 5.
Okay, ang ginamit niyang pang-set ng under eye niya is yung Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. And we don't have that here in the Philippines. So I'm just going to use my translucent powder from Glory of New York. At ang ginamit niyang pang-set ng under eye niya is yung sponge pa din. Although I don't do this technique that often. Of course, kailangan natin gayahin si Nikkie for this video. But pag nagme-makeup tayo, parang bumababa na tayong ganyan, gano'n. Nabebend na yung ulo and all.
Alright, now moving along to the classic Airspun in extra coverage to set the rest of my face.
And then, gumamit si Nikkie ng powder puff. Going to set the foundation, gaya ng ginawa ni Nikkie using the Coty Airspun.
For some basic shadow in the crease.
Wait lang! Pa-powder pa ako eh. So, ginawa ko na rin yung kilay ko kasi dun sa next clip, after niyang mag-powder, nakakilay na siya.
For some basic shadow in the crease, first I'm gonna go in with the City Mini eyeshadow palette in Matte About Town. And because I have hooded eyes, I want to define my eyes like crazy. Because if I just do the liner, it's gonna look weird on me. So I definitely need that crease in.
Alright. So, wala ako nung Maybelline eyeshadow palette na yan. So, I'm going to find an eyeshadow na medyo kagaya, at least medyo kagaya nung shade na ginamit niya sa crease niya. So, I have here my Jazzy palette. I'm going to mix these two right here. Kakulay ba? Hopefully kakulay kasi I'm going to heal myself. Medyo tinaas niya eh. I don't know what I'm doing. I feel na parang kailangan mas warm pa yung eyeshadow ko pero what you gonna do? Andyan na siya sa lids ko.
This liner alone makes
pareho kaming hooded lids.
With concealer, I'm gonna cut the crease and again going higher up to show a fake lid. At least I got that going on.
Oh my goodness gracious, gagamit siya ng concealer. Kukunin ko ulit yung concealer na ginamit natin kanina. Alright, alright, alright. So help me God. Like, I don't know how high. Oh my goodness. Medyo madugo ito, ano. I don't know kung masyadong mataas yung ginawa ko.
Setting it using the lightest color of this palette.
So, ang gagamitin kong shade na pang set dito sa Zoeva Warm Spectrum ko, itong shade na to. Yan. Anyari? Parang ano, masyadong tumaas dito. Diba? What did I do? Tama nga.
Now I'm gonna go in with my absolute favorite product. If there's anything you want to get from this video, it's the liners.
Okay, so wala ko nung particular Maybelline eyeliner niya na yan na gold. Pero I have a Maybelline gold eyeliner. Yun kasi Master Precise daw yung tawag sa kanya. So what I have here is the Maybelline Hyper Glossy Liquid Liner. But it's gold, so malay mo mag-work na din siya. Diba? Pantay ba? Yaman na nga.
We're gonna start out with a thick basic wing liner. Now for this gold, I think it's prettiest if you do 2 layers, but this will not budge.
Ang taas na nagawa ko talagang crease kasi ang layo niya. Anyway, just going to create the liner. Madali siyang matuyo. Okay, so medyo na-OC ako dahil masyadong mataas yung nagawa kong wing kanina. In-adjust ko, binabaan ko sila. Pero, naging dark siya. Nag-dark siya, no? Ayoko na. Chos, dark lang yung eyeshadow na nagawa natin. Pero, it's still, you know, tignan natin kapag tapos na yung buong look. Epic feel na talaga ito.
I'm gonna go in with Black Comet. It's the same liner. It's the same Master Precise ink. And we're gonna be doing an outline surrounding the...
ito na yung mahirap na part. Kaya outline na yung gold eyeliner. So, I'm just going to use my HyperSharp Power Black by Maybelline as well. Thin din kasing applicator nito. So, hopefully, precise yung pagkaka-outline natin. Wish me luck. Nagkikrease na eyeshadow ko. Oh, I hope that you can see it. So, ang ginagawa ko, parang kino-connect ko lang yung line. Kasi naman si NikkieTutorials naman masyadong creative naman eh. I can't believe it! We got through it! Thank you! Okay, ito na yung fun part. Oh my god. Glitters!
Glitter, I'm gonna take the gold parts of this little glitter pot and one by one, apply them in a pattern.
Ang ginamit niya, gold glitters. I don't have that. Goodness gracious. What I have is pink, pero it's kind of holographic. So, I'm hoping na mag-work siya. BYS Glitters. Kasi bilog-bilog yung glitters na gagamitin ni Nikkie. Chunky glitters. And may kasama siyang, parang ito na yung pinaka-glitter adhesive mo. It's called BYS Glitter Fix Primer. Ayan.
To make the glitter stick, first I'm putting down a tiny bit of glue.
Okay. And then, one by one, ilalagay natin yung glitters. Ay, nangyari? Ano ba? Okay. Oh, what's happening? Ay, dalawa. Uy, dalawa pala yun. Buti na lang, pag nag-reflect tong pink glitters na to, para siyang rose gold. So, medyo gold pa din yung dating niya. Kapag gumagalaw-galaw tayong ganyan. Pero it would have been better kung katulad kay Nikkie, diba? Pero, what you gonna do?
How cool is that?
How cool is that? Masyadong malaki tong yung glitters na pink yung bilog. So, ang ginawa ko dun sa mga dulo, ginamit ko tong BYS glitter din, pero yung maliliit lang siya. Purple nga lang yung kulay niya. At least malapit siya dun sa pink. And medyo holographic din siya pagka nagre-reflect siya. So, mas maliliit siya. Kaya, yun yung ginamit ko sa inner corners, saka dun sa mga, dun sa wing, sa outer part, para magkasya sila. And, ayun. Oh my god, it's coming along together. Okay, what's the next step, Ate Nikkie?
Going back in with this Maybelline palette and defining my lower lash line a little bit. And only going about halfway in.
Highlighting the inner corner with the same lid color. After highlighting,
and for lashes, I'll be applying the Cocoa Lashes in Queen Bee.
Ang gagamitin ko naman yung MS Fashion Beautique lashes, and this is in the code S215. Alright, after na sa eye makeup yan na yun.
God, I am living right now. Like,
Me too.
I want to go out to a club right now. I want to do grocery shopping. I want to walk the
hers
dogs,
look way better than mine.
Alright, so for the face, I'm going to go in with this Morphe palette right here. This is called the 9C palette. And with this, I'll be bronzing and contouring.
She's using Morphe as her affordable contouring palette. So, ako naman, ang gagamitin ko yung BYS Bronze palette. Ito yung gagamitin ko rin na pang... Dumi ng kamay ko. Na pang contour at pang bronze. So, ito yung bronzer na gagamitin ko. And then, this is for contouring. Siya gumamit ng blush.
And then for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with this BH Black Light Highlight 6 color palette.
Ganda! Ako nun.
Glow myself today with this one right here called Electra.
Alright. Ay, ganda. Anyway, wala ako nung palette na yun na highlighter palette niya. But I do have this J-Cat You Glow Girl Baked Highlighter in Crystal Sand. So, parang ganito yung shade ng highlighter na ginamit ni NikkieTutorials. So, that's what we're going to use today. Ay. Oh my god! Gawin natin si Nikkie. Oh, goodness gracious. Yes, babe. Right.
And anything that's left over in my brush, I go
Nilagay din dito.
center of the forehead and like above the arch of the brow.
Okay. Kung ano daw yung natitira dun sa brush, lagay niya sa taas ng arch, center of the forehead. Ano nangyari? Ganyan siya maglagay ng highlighter sa Cupid's bow. Like, ano mo yun? Buong upper lip. It's like got milk. Alright, so I had to, you know, contour my nose kasi hindi matangos yung ilong ko like Nikkie. Natutuwa talaga ako sa highlighter sa upper lip kasi parang uminom ng gatas. Okay, tignan natin kung anong ginamit niyang lip color.
For lips, I'm first gonna line them using the Curvy Lip Pencil in, this is by Colourpop in collaboration with I Love Sarai. Congrats, girl. This is awesome.
Okay. Of course, wala tayo niyan, diba? So, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible Never Fail Lip Liner in the shade brown.
And that guys is all there's to it. That completes this look.
Ito na pala yung final look eh, Chad.
With this Maybelline lipstick in 915
okay.
blushing beige.
Wala ako nung ginamit niya, but I do have here the Maybelline Creamy Brown Matte in the shade Daringly Nude. Hopefully, medyo close yung shade niya. Medyo close.
I'd of course buff it in with the lip pencil.
Of course, pagka nilalagay nyo na yung lipstick nyo, kailangan i-blend nyo siya dun sa lip liner nyo.
And for lip gloss, I'll be using my favorite at the moment, which is Maybelline's Tease Vivid Hot Lacquer.
Okay, wala ako nyan again, but I do have the Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Color Sensational, and this is in the shade Matte 12. Oh, no! This is a little pinky. Medyo nude sa kanya. Nakahanap tayo ng mas light dyan. Okay guys, I have here the NYX Extreme Lip Cream in the shade Skin Tone. Hopefully, mas nude to. Ayan. There we go. This is much better. Love it. And voila!
Alright, some setting spray, and this transformation is complete.
The setting spray that I have right here is from JCat. This is the Spray Set Go Makeup Setting Spray. Aloe Vera. So, let's do this.
And that guys concludes this.
Yay! We did it! Oh my gosh! Kasi Nikki, napakalayo sa itsura. Napakalayo sa ginawa ko. Shit! Oh yes, girl. Alright! So, ito na nga yung ating makeup look na ginaya natin si NikkieTutorials, pero we failed. I used a different color of glitters. I don't have most of the products that she used. Tapos nagkamali ako dun sa crease. So I think medyo epic fail siya for me, ha. And yeah, I'm not even close sa kagalingan ni Nikkie. She will always be my queen. But still, I'm proud of what I did. Nagawa naman natin lahat ng step. Hindi nga lang ganun kaganda na katulad kay NikkieTutorials. Still, yung cut crease, yung glitter liner, yung nude lippy, tapos yung highlighter. I love the JCat highlighter, ha. And medyo nakikisabayan siya sa highlighter ni Ate Nikkie. So, ayun. What do you think, guys? I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. And sana kahit pa paano may natutunan kayo, kahit na ginaya lang naman natin si Nikkie. Kung gusto nyo matutunan kung paano gawin tong look na to, panoorin nyo na lang si Nikkie kasi mas maganda yung pagkakagawa niya. Sana kahit konti nagawan ko ng hustisya yung makeup look ni Nikkie. Although magkaiba yung kulay, naging dark yung eyeshadow ko. Pero medyo nag-compliment naman, diba, yung eyeshadow dun sa glitters. Since hindi naman gold yung glitters na ginamit ko. Oh, pagbigyan nyo na ako sa mga alibis ko. That's it for this video. If you have any questions regarding this makeup look na ginawa natin, mag-comment lang kayo sa baba. Kung meron pa kayong ibang gustong makeup look na gusto nyong gawin ko, gusto. Hindi na ako marunong magsalita. Shit! Kung meron kayong ibang makeup look na gusto nyong gawin ko, ayun, na gusto nyong gawin ko, mag-comment lang kayo sa baba. Mga suggestions nyo and all. Kahit na hindi gayang-gaya kay Nikkie, I'm so proud of what I did. And I really love the look. Kaso, pagkatapos ito, buburahin ko lang siya kasi matutulog na ako. Maraming salamat ulit sa lahat ng mga nag-comment na nag-suggest na gawin ko. Nagayahin ko si NikkieTutorials, yung isa sa makeup look niya. I really enjoyed doing this video. It's so much fun kahit na mahirap siya. It's very challenging. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet for more videos like this, okay? Thank you so much again for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one, you guys. Stay awesome and accomplish your mission. Bye!